Hello tool lovers, welcome to my channel. Don't skip this video, today we're diving into something exciting. Milwaukee Tool has just dropped 25 brand new tools for 2026, and they're absolute game changers. From powerful upgrades to smart innovations, these tools are built for pros and DIYers alike. Stay tuned to see the latest gear you definitely don't want to miss. L4 RLEPB-301 USB Rechargeable. The Milwaukee L4 RLEPB-301 USB Rechargeable. Hearing Assist is a smart job site solution that blends hearing protection with active sound amplification. It reduces harmful noise while enhancing speech, so you can communicate clearly without removing protection. Powered by red lithium TM USB, it offers convenient recharging and battery swapping. Built for rugged environments, it withstands dust, sweat, and daily wear. Ideal for professionals, it improves safety, comfort, and awareness throughout long, demanding workdays. Bolt trademark 100 Hard Hat. The Milwaukee Tool Bolt 100 Hard Hat is a lightweight, durable safety solution designed for maximum job site adaptability. Built with a strong ABS shell, it offers reliable impact protection while staying comfortable during long shifts. Its 6-point suspension and easy ratchet adjustment ensure a secure fit. The standout Bolt TM accessories platform lets users attach headlamps, visors, ear protection, and more, creating a fully customizable, all-in-one protective system for professionals. Armourtred Safety Footwear. The Milwaukee Tool. Armourtred Safety Footwear range is built for extreme job site durability and protection. Designed with aluminium toe caps and full-grain leather, these boots handle heavy impacts and rough terrain with ease. Key features include shock shield front protection, energy foam, cushioning for all-day comfort, and a roll cage heel stabilizer for balance. With heat-resistant soles, waterproof options, and ENISO 20345 certification. Armourtred footwear delivers reliable safety, grip, and performance for demanding professional environments. Coil Roofing Nailer. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Coil. Roofing Nailer 2909-2. Zero delivers cordless convenience with true pneumatic level power, eliminating hoses and compressors on the job site. It fires up to 6 nails per second with 0 ramp-up time, ensuring fast, consistent performance. Powered by a red lithium battery, it can drive around 1,100 nails per charge. With tool-free depth adjustment, dry fire lockout, and dual firing modes, it offers precision, safety, and versatility for roofing and siding applications. Hex Impact Driver. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1/4 inch Hex Impact Driver 2953-2. Zero is a 4th generation powerhouse built for speed, control, and durability. Delivering up to 2,000 inch-pounds of torque with 3,900 revolutions per minute and 4,400 inches per minute, it handles heavy-duty fastening with ease. Its compact 4.47-inch design reaches tight spaces, while Tri-LED lighting ensures shadow-free visibility. Featuring 4-mode drive control TM and a self-tapping screw mode, it offers precision, efficiency, and maximum performance for professional job site demands. Milwaukee M18 Brushless Telescoping Pole, Pruning Shears. The Milwaukee M18 Brushless Telescoping Pole Pruning Shears 3008-2, 0 tool only or 3008-2 1 kit. Deliver fast, clean pruning with a powerful brushless motor and a telescoping reach from 7 to 10 feet. Designed for precise bypass cuts, it can easily trim branches up to 1 3/4 inches in diameter while protecting plant health. The durable DC53 steel blade, retractable branch hook and ergonomic design make long-duration pruning more comfortable and efficient. Compatible with the M18 Red lithium system, it offers up to 2,000 cuts per charge with an XC 6.0 battery. Milwaukee Safety Helmet Impact Armor. The Milwaukee Safety Helmet with Impact Armor. Liner is a Type 2 helmet designed to protect against oblique, side, and top impacts using Rheon technology to reduce rotational forces and the risk of TBIs. It features a padded suspension with a swinging ratchet, an adjustable 5-buckle chin strap, and an antimicrobial machine washable liner for comfort and hygiene. The helmet supports the Bolt trademark accessory system, including a headlamp mount and marker clip, and is certified to ANSI/ISEAZ 89.1 and EN 12492 standards. Milwaukee MX Fuel 24-inch walk behind edging trowel kit. The Milwaukee MX Fuel 24-inch walk behind edging trowel kit delivers 5 horsepower performance comparable to gas models, but with 0 emissions, less noise, and minimal maintenance. Powered by a Power State brushless motor, it offers up to 160 RPM blade speed and 35 minutes of runtime per charge, using the MX Fuel Red Lithium Forge HD 12.0 battery. With adjustable handlebars, fine pitch dial, safety shutoff, and 1-key compatibility, this kit is ideal for efficient, clean concrete finishing. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Telescoping Pole Saw. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Telescoping Pole Saw 3013-20 or M18 FPLS T12 is a pro-grade cordless tool that matches gas-powered performance without emissions or upkeep. It features a Power State brushless motor delivering up to 2.35 horsepower and a 25 meters per second chain speed, reaching full throttle in under a second. The adjustable shaft extends from 9 to 13 feet for safe, ladder-free cutting, while the 10-inch/12-inch bar handles heavy branches. With automatic oiling, side access tensioning, and M18 battery compatibility, it's built for efficiency and durability. Milwaukee Backpack Blower. Milwaukee's backpack blowers bring gas-like power without the maintenance. The M18 Fuel Dual Battery Backpack Blower delivers 20.5 newtons, 650 CFM, and 155 miles per hour, requiring 2 M18 batteries, 4 slots for longer runtime. The MX Fuel Backpack Blower is stronger with 30 newtons, 800 CFM, and 190 miles per hour, running on a single MX Fuel battery. Both offer adjustable harnesses, variable speed control, and interchangeable nozzles, while the MX Fuel model adds 1-key integration for tracking and security. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 16 Gauge Angled Finish Nailer. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 16 Gauge Angled Finish Nailer Model 2 841-20 is a powerful cordless tool that delivers pneumatic-like performance without a compressor. Its nitrogen air spring and power state brushless motor provide consistent immediate firing with zero ramp-up time, making it ideal for hardwoods. The 20-degree angled magazine improves access in tight spaces, while tool-free depth adjustment and jam clearing keep work moving. It fires 1 1/4 inch to 2 1/2 inch nails and can drive up to 800 nails per charge. Milwaukee M12 Brushless 2-inch planer. The Milwaukee M12 Brushless 2-inch planer, Model 2524-2 0/M12 BLP0, is a compact lightweight tool built for finished carpentry and remodeling. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers 14,500 RPM for smooth, consistent cuts in soft and hardwoods. The 2-inch planing width and 5/64" maximum depth allow precise material removal, while 21 depth settings ensure accuracy. Dual-sided shavings ports, a kickstand, and reversible TCT blades improve usability, and the M12 battery system keeps it efficient and portable. Milwaukee MX Fuel Pipe Threading Machine. The Milwaukee MX Fuel Pipe Threading Machine is the industry's first cordless pipe threader, delivering corded level performance with total job site freedom. Powered by the MX Fuel red lithium battery, it cuts reams and threads up to 2-inch pipe without cords or emissions. A collapsible wheeled cart improves portability, while dual hammer chucks add versatility. Integrated oiling, precise die adjustment, and a powerful brushless motor ensure clean, consistent, professional threading anywhere. Milwaukee 4822 8429 PACKOUT XL Heavy Duty Toolbox. The Milwaukee 4822 8429 PACKOUT XL Heavy Duty Toolbox is an extra-large, rugged storage solution built for demanding job sites. Featuring a 100-pound weight capacity, impact-resistant polymer construction, and metal-reinforced corners, it delivers exceptional durability. The IP65 rated weather seal protects tools from dust and water, while heavy-duty latches ensure secure closure. Fully compatible with the PACKOUT modular system, it includes an interior tray, lock point, and 1-key tick, mounting for smart tool management. Milwaukee Roll-On 7,200 watts / 3,600 watts power supply. The Milwaukee Roll-On 7,200 watts / 3,600 watts power supply delivers instant gas-free job site power in a portable PACKOUT compatible design. It provides 7,200 watts peak and 3,600 watts continuous output from an integrated 2.5 kilowatt-hour red lithium battery with pure sine wave power for sensitive electronics. Fast charging, pass-through power, and multiple GFCI, USB-C, and USB-A outlets boost productivity, while all-terrain wheels, IP54 protection, a smart HMI, and 1-key integration ensure durability, control, and quiet operation for indoor use and demanding professional applications worldwide job sites. Milwaukee PACKOUT 15-inch structured tote. The Milwaukee PACKOUT 15-inch structured tote 482-28317 is a rugged job site ready tool bag built for pros who demand durability and organization. Its reinforced sag-resistant structure holds shape while supporting up to 50 pounds. Integrated PACKOUT locking cleats ensure full modular compatibility. With 39 total pockets, all metal hardware, YKK zippers, and a water-resistant molded base, it keeps tools protected, organized, and easy to transport anywhere. Milwaukee Dual Power Compact Tower Light. The Milwaukee M18 Rocket Dual Power Tower Light 2131-20 is a powerful job site ready lighting solution built for versatility and durability. It delivers up to 2,500 lumens of TrueView high definition output with 3 brightness modes to balance light and runtime. Dual power allows operation via M18 batteries or AC power. A fast deploy, extendable mast reaches 7 feet, while the adjustable head ensures wide, shadow-free illumination. Milwaukee 4.5 to 6 inches variable speed braking grinder. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 4.5 to 6 inches variable speed braking grinder delivers corded level performance with the freedom of cordless power. Its power state brushless motor matches a 13 ampere grinder, while variable speed control ensures precision across metalworking tasks. The rapid stop brake enhances safety by stopping accessories in seconds. With an electronic clutch, tool-free adjustments, durable metal housing, and M18 battery compatibility, it's built for demanding professional use. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Overhead Rotary hammer with integrated dust extraction 3311-22 is a purpose-built 2-in-1 solution for overhead concrete drilling. Its compact, lightweight design and rear-positioned side handle improve posture and reduce fatigue. Integrated HEPA dust extraction delivers OSHA Table 1 compliance without bulky attachments. Powered by a brushless motor, it offers fast drilling up to 5/8 inch, auto-stop kickback control, low vibration, and one-key tracking for safety and productivity. Milwaukee M18 Compact 1-ton chain, hoist with 1 key. The Milwaukee M18 Compact 1-ton chain, hoist with 1 key is a portable battery-powered lifting solution with a 2,204 pound capacity and a 20-foot chain for flexible lift height. Powered by the M18 Red Lithium system, it eliminates cords and is lightweight at just 46 pounds for easy transport. The wireless remote offers variable speed control, fine micro adjustments, and a 60-foot operating range. Built-in safety features include auto-stop and quick chain stop response, while 1 key adds tracking and inspection management. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2 92 9-2 0 deep cut band saw. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2929-2 0 deep cut band saw is a powerful cordless tool built for fast, clean cuts in metal. Its power state brushless motor delivers up to 550 SFPM, cutting through materials like 4-inch black iron pipe quickly. With a 5-inch by 5-inch cut capacity, it handles EMT, threaded rod, and angle iron in one pass. Variable speed control and a feathering trigger provide precise cutting, while the cut brake feature stops the blade instantly for safety. Job site armor technology protects the tool from drops, and its lightweight 10.5 pound design reduces fatigue.